Hey friends! Are you ready to transform your vehicle's audio system with the most powerful and clear-sounding 3.5-inch speakers available today? In this video, we're taking a look at the best 3.5-inch speakers for cars in 2026, known for their real quality and performance. I've put this list together based on my personal opinion and hours of research, considering popularity, quality, price, durability, user feedback, and more. If you want more details and the latest prices, check out the description below. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more honest tech reviews. Let's dive right in. Starting with our first, the DS18 3.5-inch speakers. These professional-grade super tweeters are designed to handle high-frequency ranges with surgical precision, delivering incredibly crisp and bright audio details that standard speakers miss. Boasting an impressive 240 watts of peak power and featuring a durable aluminum diaphragm, they easily pierce through loud road noise and heavy bass. The protective super bullet design not only looks aggressive in your dash but also shields the delicate voice coil from dust and debris effectively. With built-in capacitor filters to ensure clean signal processing, these units are a top-tier choice for any high-performance audio enthusiast wanting more. They provide a massive sonic upgrade over standard paper cone factory tweeters, adding a whole new dimension and height to your car's total soundstage. Next up, our second product, the Infiniti 3.5-inch speakers. Infiniti's reference series speakers are masterfully engineered to provide an audiophile-level listening experience by utilizing patented +1 cone technology for maximum vibrating surface area. This innovative design results in significantly higher sensitivity and a much punchier low-frequency response than almost any other speaker currently in this size class. The textile-driven tweeters produce smooth, non-fatiguing high frequencies that remain clear even when you turn the volume up to maximum levels for long periods. Their compact, space-saving design ensures they fit perfectly into most dashboard or door locations without the need for complex mounting modifications or cutting. You can expect a rich, full-range audio performance that brings out every subtle detail in your favorite tracks with absolute clarity and warmth. Coming in at number 3, the Pioneer 3.5-inch speakers. As a premier two-way coaxial upgrade, these Pioneer speakers are specifically designed to provide a balanced and highly accurate sound profile for your vehicle. With a massive maximum power handling of 450 watts and a wide frequency response reaching up to 33 kHz, they are truly exceptional. The separate drivers for highs and lows ensure that vocals remain crisp while the mid-bass remains punchy and well-defined during high-volume playback sessions. Designed as a direct-fit OEM replacement, they allow for a hassle-free installation process that instantly transforms a dull, muffled factory sound system into something special. These speakers are ruggedly built to withstand the harsh environment of a vehicle interior while delivering consistent, dynamic audio quality across all genres. Now, let's talk about our fourth, the Grtsky 3.5-inch speakers. These high-efficiency 3.5-inch loudspeakers are the perfect solution for anyone wanting a distinct visual look and a powerful mid-range audio boost for their car. Featuring a unique red bullet phase plug and a peak power of 400 watts, they produce high-decibel sound with incredibly minimal harmonic distortion. The high sensitivity rating of 94 dB means you get loud, clear audio even when these speakers are powered by a standard factory head unit. Their durable construction ensures they can handle long daily commutes while maintaining a detailed and immersive soundscape for classical melodies or rock anthems. They are particularly well suited for dashboard mounting where clear vocal reproduction and balanced frequencies are most critical for the driver's overall listening experience. And last but certainly not least, our final pick, the Recoil 3.5-inch speakers. The Echo series from Recoil provides an impressive combination of durability and acoustic performance through thermal-formed polypropylene cones and heavy-duty butyl rubber surrounds. These high-quality materials allow for a quick and accurate mid-range response while providing deep mid-bass impact that significantly enhances your music's depth. The soft domed silk tweeters are equipped with oversized voice coils, ensuring smooth highs and excellent heat dissipation during heavy, sustained high-volume use. You can easily fine-tune the output using the triple-level tweeter volume adjustment to match your car's specific interior acoustics and your personal preference. These speakers are built to last and offer a flexible mounting system that makes them compatible with a vast array of older and modern vehicles. Thanks for watching Auto Garage. We hope this video helped you find the perfect automotive gear and accessories for your ride. If you found it useful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to support the channel. Got any questions about the products or need help choosing the right one? Drop them in the comments below, we're always here to help. Stay tuned for more top automotive picks, honest reviews, and the latest car gadgets, right here on Auto Garage. See you in the next one.